Lady Lily back with another video, and this video is an unboxing. I have not done an unboxing video in a while. Maybe my birthday. Did I do an unboxing video for my birthday? I don't know. But I got an unboxing today, so this is a little splurge. This is what happens when you stay up late and you can't get off the damn internet. You end up buying stuff and looking at stuff. But anyway, I got an unboxing for you. So I ordered online, and it came from Nordstrom's. I don't know if you can see that, but Nordstrom's. And I said, well, I'll treat myself. I'll go all the way out. So I had them put it in a gift box because it was free. So I had them put it in a nice little gift box. And I even wrote a note to myself. And I said, Lady Lily, 2021 is your year. So yeah, send a note to myself. Sometimes you gotta encourage yourself. Sometimes you gotta speak over yourself. So that's the box. So this is what I ended up getting. MCM medium tote. Got an MCM medium tote. I've been eyeing this for quite a while. Looked at some YouTube videos, and I'm a little disappointed because there's no dust bag. I ordered this online and did a pickup, curbside pickup, because I just didn't feel like getting out the car. And then I knew if I went in there, it might have been some other stuff happening. So I noticed it didn't come with a dust bag. Damn. Okay. Well, this is what I got, the MCM bag. You all seen these before. It's nothing new. And what I do like about that, it comes with the pouch. Definitely going to use this pouch. You know, this would be good for lunch breaks. You know, when you don't want to bring the whole, when you go to work and you don't want to bring the whole thing out, or you got to make a quick run and you don't want to bring the whole bag out, this gonna be good. I know a lot of people carry this as a clutch. Some people use this as an everyday purse, but this is definitely gonna come in handy. And then this is more affordable than, of course, the Louis Vuitton Never Full. I'm trying to see. They got the little card here. So this is the little MCM maintenance booklet. And the cards, I got this from Nordstrom's, of course. So this is the 1-year limit warranty. Okay. Okay. So yeah, this is the 1-year warranty. So yeah. Pretty much this is what I got. So definitely looking forward to carrying her. I do tend to carry more totes when I go to work because I'm lugging stuff, because I work between home and my office, so I do be back and forth and lugging stuff. So I'm definitely going to be looking forward to carrying this, and I'll probably do a follow-up video as to how do I feel like this is fending out. These straps are seen to be very sturdy. This material is very quality. But of course you get some from Nordstrom's. You expect it to be of quality. So I'm excited. So I guess this is like post-Christmas / pre-Valentine's Day / you know, we're in the pandemic, it's okay to treat yourself, I guess, / yeah, you got your little stimulus / whatever I want to celebrate. I'm good. No, trust me, I did what I supposed to do with my stimulus. So stimulus, that went to pay some bills and went up in savings. So, no, I did not blow my stimulus. Just want to put that out to you. But yeah, I just wanted to do this quick reveal. Like I said, it's a ton of these bags reveal videos, reviews on YouTube. So, you know, you seen one, you seen them all. But I'm just, I really like, this is such a sturdy bag, and I definitely plan to use it. So yeah, I took the leaf and leap and got it. So I'm definitely gonna put this bad boy to use. So yeah, I won't keep you too long. Like, comment, and subscribe. Stay tuned for more videos. Hopefully this is day 9 that we're in with the 2021, and it's been crazy thus far. We thought it was gonna come in, you know, quiet, and with all the activities that took place this past week, 2021 try and act a fool, but 2021, go sit your ass down. Yeah, that's what I need you to do. Sit down, stop touching stuff, shut up. That's what I need you to do. So yeah, that's it. Like, comment, subscribe. I'm gonna try to keep up with those on Wednesday car talks. Also trying to put out some more videos to promote my book. So that's it. That's all. Peace up. I said peace up. Peace out. Peace up. A-Town down. We out. Wear a mask. Social distance. And always, let's beat this thing. Let's fly above the COVID. Peace out.